Hi, we are going to learn about PowerPoint 2013. You must have heard about PowerPoint 2013 everywhere. A PowerPoint helps in it is a complete presentation graphics package. It gives you everything you need to produce a professional looking presentation. PowerPoint offers word processing, outlining, drawing, graphing, and presentation management tools, all designed to be easy to use and learn. PowerPoint uses a graphical approach to presentations in the form of slideshows that accompany the oral delivery of the topic. This program is widely used in business and classrooms, and it is an effective tool when used for training purposes. So PowerPoint actually is just like it is a very simple way to to use in from all the programs. This is the one of the simplest program to learn. It is actually worldwide used for making presentations. Anyone who want to create a very stunning and very interactive presentations must know everything, each and everything, small details about PowerPoint. So PowerPoint presentation can be you can also transform your presentation into photo albums, music or narrations. You can put audio video clips, and you can also create some very beautiful 3D pictures, or you can put animations in that to make it very creative and very stunning PowerPoint, very stunning presentation. You can also distribute this presentation. You can email it, you can make it, you can put it in a CD or pen drive or anything. So you can also make some, like, you can also give graphs and charts. You can also make interactive diagrams, like organizational chart of like your company structure, or you can also make your presentation into a web page for emailing purposes as a promotion display. You can also make some posters or in a presentation, and actually PowerPoint is very easy to easy to use, and you can customize your presentation any how you want. You can put your, like, make your company logo, and by using many design templates and add-in features and templates, you can uh, you can uh, you can impress your audience. They will be like, wow, it will be like super presentation you can make in PowerPoint. I'll show the next is the subsequent, like, it just gives you a quick synopsis what a PowerPoint can do. When you create a presentation using PowerPoint, the presentation is made up of a series of slides. The slides that you create using PowerPoint can also be presented as overhead transparency or 35 mm slides. In addition to slides, you can print audience handouts, outlines, and speaker notes. You can format all the slides in a presentation. You can use the slide masters, which is actually a very important tool in a PowerPoint presentation. You can edit it with this slide master, and it is very easy to use. We have shown you all these things in our course. You can also keep your entire presentation in a single file, all your slides, speaker notes. Even this comes in the chapter like packaging your presentation. It will be included in this. You can import what you have created in other Microsoft products such as Word, Excel. You will be shown in some chapters, like how will you import a chart or a table from Excel to PowerPoint. So all this is just a gist of what you all can learn or gain from PowerPoint, learning PowerPoint 2013. Next is its uses. First is presentation. You can use PowerPoint to enhance presentations. PowerPoint allows you to draw diagrams using n number of shapes and connectors. It gives a variety of graphs, including bar chart, bar graph, or pie chart, lines, and anything. You can also directly create a graph or chart into your presentation. You don't need to always bring it from the copy or paste it from the Excel, or transfer it from there to here. Then also PowerPoint comes with a tool like ClipArt, you can also include audio and video files in your presentations to make it attractive. Then also you can use animations and slide transitions, which you can see when I press enter, when slide changes, the way the next slide appears. This is called slide transitions. We are going to learn in detail about slide transition and animations in the chapters to come. PowerPoint can also, like, obviously I told you, like, we can animate the slides. You can share your presentation via projector or over the internet. The next use is tutorials. PowerPoint can be used to make tutorials and worksheets for education or training contexts. Like right now I'm teaching you through the medium of PowerPoint itself. Instead of slides, these can be printed into papers and given to individual students. There are various forms in which you can print using different modes, which is also taught to you in the basic chapters. Then in you can also, it uses a tutorial on a piece of software could use screenshots of various menus and combine with text and graphics elements indicating what each one does. This way you can, if you want a screenshot of anything and you want to insert that in your presentation or in your slide, you can do that too. There's an option to there's an option to select that screenshot which you have already taken and put it in the in your presentation, or there's one more option to just directly take the screenshot and put it in immediately in your presentation or in your slide. A simple vocabulary sheet might use photographs or clip arts of various objects for the students to label with their names.